You're welcome back. In this section, we would be discussing leading versus managing. Remember, we're talking about leadership and its importance to your business, to your growth. Are you a leader or a manager? And you might think that the terms are interchangeable, but not exactly so. A leader achieves results through people. A manager is more hands-on. A manager directs. A manager controls. A leader works more on the business. A manager is principally working in the business. Both skills are needed to grow any organization. But you have to know, as somebody who is going far, as somebody who is going to scale, as somebody who is going to develop others, you have to know the difference and when to apply what skill. If you want your business to grow beyond you, you must be able to achieve your results through others. You must be able to influence. You must be able to coach. You must be able to bring others to your level of skill, of thinking. But at the same time, managing is important because the results you promise your clients must be produced. So there are times you also need to be a manager. But I want to advise you as you begin your entrepreneurship journey to be more of a leader. Your business should not need you, should I say, so much. You must be able to extricate yourself from your business and it still runs. If your business cannot do without you, it is not a business yet. It is still a job. Let me repeat that. If your business cannot run without your direct hands-on presence, you still have a job. You do not have a business yet. So you must be intentional about growing talent, growing people, imparting knowledge, getting people to think the way you think. That is what duplicates you into many lives and grows your business. But then there are times you need to be a manager. When you see things slacking, when you see deadlines are going to be missed, you have to rise up to the occasion. So I just want to advise you to sit back and think, what areas do I need to develop so that I can grow both my leadership skills and use my managing skills as needed? As I wrap up this section, you take that food for thought back with you. I'm going to grow my leadership skills and also know when to be a manager. Both are needed. Know when to use either one and get yourself coached and prepared on both sides. I'll see you in the next section. Thank you.